Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. First of all, just open the CapCut application in your mobile and then tap on this new project and you have to select a video you want to make slow motion on. Let's say this is the video, just simply tap on this add to import the video. So after importing the video, select the video. Now you can see these options here and now you have to select this speed. Now this is normal, curve and velocity effect. I'm going for normal here and then set the value to this 0.3. Click on OK and now find the copy button here. Tap on this duplicate and now you have to tap on the overlay button. Here it is, tap on it and now just drag it and align with this first clip here like this. Now select this video again and now you need to trim this video like this. So make sure the second video is shorter from the first one. After that, click on this splice and set the value to 30. Click on this check mark button and if I play the video, it will have a smooth slow motion effect on the video. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.